For all of our fellow Sofian soldiers, we decided to make a video pointing out key highlights that had happened to SoFi during the month of February. So if you haven't had any extra time doing your own due diligence in SoFi, here are some of the important things you might have missed. Just a reminder though, we're not financial advisors and none of this is financial advice, so please always do your own due diligence. SoFi completes acquisition of Golden Pacific Bancorp. It's been months since we got to raise a toast to SoFi acquiring the bank charter approval from the OCC and the Fed, and it wouldn't be possible if Golden Pacific Bancorp wasn't here to be a key in making this all happen. Around this time last year, SoFi dropped the big news that it's acquiring GPB and its wholly owned subsidiary named Golden Pacific Bank. Starting February with a bang, SoFi sealed the deal with a promise to contribute about $750 million of capital while keeping the bank as solid as SoFi's goal to be a household brand. Chad Borton will take the lead in GPB, now turned into SoFi Bank, but Golden Pacific Bank President and CEO Virginia Varela will still continue to reign over the community bank business. With that, we give you Commander Noto.
Our goal is to give you the best of checking and savings in one account like SoFi Money, and getting a national bank charter will allow us to do that by lowering our cost of loans and using that excess cost to increase the amount of interest we can provide on deposits. We think we can provide a very differentiated product and service, not to mention service more people more broadly, grow the company faster, and allow it to be more profitable.
SoFi will definitely help you get your money right with this move. SoFi Technologies announces agreement to acquire Technics. Did you know that February 22nd this year is a palindrome day, meaning the date can be read the same backwards and forward? This February 22nd, CEO Anthony Noto just dropped yet another billion-dollar deal that helps them accelerate their growth rate even more. February 22nd, that's 2/22/22. Coincidence?
I think not!
Who knows? Technics will be one-of-a-kind leverage to SoFi as all of the other fintech companies out there and the good old banks looking for space to hop on the bandwagon will probably boost their tech segments just to get a hold of their positions. Captain Noto does everything so that total members using a lot of products increase day by day. Quarterly net losses may be pretty painful to witness, but take a look at what Anthony Noto has been serving us.
I'm going to take these one by one. The first element is that in order for us to win by leveraging the FSPL and our one-stop shop strategy, each product we build has to be best of breed, so we tirelessly look to differentiate our products on 4 factors: fast, selection, content, and convenience. And then we want all of our products to work better when they're used together. Why is this important? It's critically important that every time someone chooses a SoFi product, that we build a relationship and trust and reliability, so when they need a second product or a third product, they choose SoFi. And when they do pick us for another product, our revenue per customer increases meaningfully, and we do not have a large second customer acquisition cost, which in turn moves us to our goal of having the highest lifetime value in the industry. The highest lifetime value will be our competitive advantage, as it allows us to give the best interest rates on loans, the best interest rates on checking, the best services for our members, the best selection, and the fastest capabilities. And that will allow us to drive more utilization of our service, which will help us drive our members to help them get their money right. The more data we have about them, the more we can personalize and the more we can help our members. Vertically integrating with Technics will directly improve the first critical success factor of our strategy and building our best of breed products through faster innovation, more real-time decisioning, and increased personalization, in addition to making our products work better when used together.
When asked about the competitive overlap between Technics and Galileo, Anthony clears up that these two will be complementing each other, as SoFi needed a long-term solution helping innovation to be much easier at a lower cost. Looks like he's all geared up to attack in the fintech space, and we're not backing down anytime soon. Shout out to one of our channel's OG subscribers, you guessed it right, Jimmy Jim. We mentioned SoFi 35 times in that video. Comment down the company you want us to cover, and we'll definitely make a video about that in the future. Better banking is here with SoFi Checking and Savings. In line with SoFi's complete acquisition of SoFi Bank, the company also launched new bank offerings. SoFi Checking and Savings, according to their official press release, will now enable all of its members to 1% APY, which is 33% the national average interest on balances, in addition to 0 account or overdraft fees, no limits on transfers between checking and savings accounts, 2-day early paycheck, and fee-free ATM access via the Allpoint network. Moreover, SoFi Checking and Savings will also enable its members to goal-specific money vaults for easy budgeting and to automated savings. According to their website, all members can now access the over 55,000 locations of the Allpoint network for fee-free ATMs access across the country. Here are also some of the recent happenings within SoFi's umbrella that is also important to take note of. SoFi's technology platform Galileo partnered with Global Reward Solutions, a B2B payment firm. Also this February, SoFi launched a new marketing campaign called Break Up with Bad Banking, which consists of TikTok dance challenges and millions worth of reward points as a prize. And recent 13F filings have showed the big banks that are taking advantage of SoFi's stock buying opportunity. Legacy banks such as JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America are all buying the dip alongside us retail investors. Ladies and gents, 2022 has just started, but SoFi seems to have a ton of great news to kick things off. We can't wait to see what will happen to SoFi in the remaining year of 2022. We're right here with you holding strong. That's basically it for today's video. If you happen to find any value in this, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit from this video. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be updated as soon as we drop a new video. And until next time, peace.